Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can reveal images behind text in Canva. First up, open your Canva and then here go to video section and select this create blank. Now the first step here that we can do, we can basically add a text first. So click this add text, add the heading. Now on this time, I'm going to type surfing with the big letters and then select this one, change the font and select this League Spartan. Then I'm going to resize it. So drag the corners to resize the text. Just like this. And then here, the next step that we can do is go to elements. Right, so you can basically drag the text and you just need to put at the middle, then create or add a wave graphic. So go to graphics here and then use this one right here and then rotate. And then once done, you can just resize it according to your preference. There you go. Now we can basically change the color. Select this white color. And then right click, go to layer, select send backward. Choose the background, change the color into color black. So there you go. Now the next step that we can do here is by going to elements and we're going to select the shape, maybe this square shape right here, and then change the color into white. So same as the wave graphic color. So you can adjust this one like this. So as you can see, it depends on your preference here, if you want full size or if you want just like this with a frame. So basically I'm going to adjust this one. So go to layer and then go to this layers and put here behind the text. And then we can adjust this a little bit. There you go. Now let's change the color here, the first three letters, into color white. So there you have it. So we have just created this text and a little bit more design. Then you can adjust this wave graphic to be basically fit into the square shape. Now the next step that we can do is basically click on the share button at the top right and then click on download. And then here you can select the file type. So basically you must change it into like PNG type right here and then click download button. Next, we're going to basically save this one and then drag the image to upload here in Canva. So there you go. Once done, you can now create another page. So click this add page button. Then here we can now select an image that we can use. So basically go to the search box here and I'm going to search for like surfing photos right here. And you can basically search for different images here in Canva. So we have a bunch of results. And in this case, I'm going to select a man riding on a surfboard like that, or like surfing. So not this one here. Right, so we have a lot of results here, but I'm going to just select this. Then what we can do is click on the three dots at the top right and set as background, or you can adjust using the corners to just edit this one or like drag it or like zoom in according to your preference. So in my case, I'm going to just select this and go to the upload section and select the image that I just created. Go to edit photo and then I'm going to click on video remover. So once done, as you can see the result, now we can adjust again here, drag the corners to fit into the image. So there you have it. Now basically you can just select this image here, and then we're going to adjust it. So in my own preference, I'm going to zoom it in and then go to edit photo and then select the shadows. We're going to add some effects and then go to drop. And then here we're going to go to the distance and make it 0. And then the blur amount will be like 15 maybe. So there you go. Then again, adjust the corners. And if you think that it is not centered, you can basically drag it like this. Or you can pull or drag the corners. So that's how you easy creating this graphic design like this. And then as you can see, if you're okay with this one, so basically you just need to, you can just adjust it like this. For example, I want it more bigger. So make sure that it is not actually distract the image that we have just added, right? So you can add like this, and if you're okay with this one, then the next step that we can do is adding a text, right? And then here add the subheading and then type beach, for example, and then select this one, and I'm going to change the color into the same as on the image like this. And then I'm going to adjust the letter spacing and put it right over here. So as you can see, we have beach surfing, right? Now we can actually change the image into video. For example, if you don't want this image and you want to add a video, just go to the elements section, or you can upload a video here, or you can go to elements and search for surfing, go to video section, and here you will find a bunch of results that you can use. Basically, you can just click and it will automatically add to your frame, but I don't want this one and I want to add this. So you can't actually click on replace background, so it will just hide it. So what we can do here is go back and then select this one, go to layers or layer, and then select show layers and put it behind this surfing image. There you go. Then we can adjust this image right over here, and here we have it. Then we can again zoom in the video, so just like this. So if we're going to play, so this is the result. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.